Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in into Remitly. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Remitly app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app. Then, on the screen, you're gonna find two options: sign in and join now. Tap on sign in, then tap on continue. Now it's going to take you to the website where you're going to have to type in your email address and your password of the Remitly account that you've created. Now go ahead and tap on login. Once you do that, you'll be able to sign in or log in into Remitly account. And guys, that's it. That's how you log in into Remitly account on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.